Hey guys, Bailey here with Zech Ford, and I work in our internet and phone sales department, and today I'm going to be showing you how to use our online finance application. Alrighty, so we're going to start by going to our website, which is zechford.com. You're going to select either new or pre-owned, whichever you're looking for, but for example today we'll just go with an Explorer. Alright, so now that we have a vehicle picked out, and if you're looking to figure out what kind of monthly payment you're going to be looking for, you can click on Calculate Your Payment in the top right corner. It's the green button. Then it'll pull up how many terms you're looking for, 60 months, 72 months, however you're comfortable with. Your cash down, 0 to however much. Your self-estimated credit, you'll put in your trade-in. If you're a Kansas resident, you can add in your taxes and fees, but only if you're a Kansas resident. Once you enter your trade information, your taxes and fees, if you're a Kansas resident, you'll click on Deal Details, and then I'll just go over the vehicle price with you, your down payment, whatever you selected, your taxes and fees, amount financed, your APR, and keep in mind this is all just an estimate. We'll have a more solid answer for you once you either come in and sit down with finance, or once we have finance actually reach out to you, or go over your credit application with you over the phone, online, whatever works best. So if you are a Kansas resident, we do recommend you come in first to take a look at the vehicle, test drive it, and sit down with finance to go over your options first. Just because it is a hard pull on your credit since we are a dealership and not a bank. So we do have to go through everything first before submitting a single application on a single vehicle. If you are an out-of-state resident, please give us a call so we can go over everything with you first. There is a deposit option for you as well. There are shipping options for you. If you have a trade-in, that makes things a little more difficult, but we always recommend giving us a call first, emailing us, texting us, whatever communication works best for you. We're here and happy to help however we can and hopefully get you in a new car.